What's up everybody, it's your name, back again with you for a glimpse into the future. Welcome to Isola Tech Spot. Today we're diving into the latest and greatest tech innovations of 2025. From AI-powered smartboards to mind-blowing VR accessories, you don't want to miss this. Stick around to the end and let me know in the comments which gadget has you the most hyped. First up, we're taking a look at the Boardrop, a next-generation modular smartboard. Imagine a sleek, thin display that seamlessly connects with all your devices. Instant pairing, zero lag, and crystal-clear resolution make your presentations pop. The Boardrop boasts AI-powered smart writing recognition, converting scribbles into editable digital content in real time. For artists, the pressure sensitivity and accuracy are off the charts. Share your screen wirelessly, brainstorm with colleagues, or turn presentations into interactive masterpieces. If you're a student, professional, or artist, the Boardrop is worth checking out. Next up, let's talk about Doppel, a wearable device that helps you regulate your emotions through personalized vibrations. Imagine having a tool that can instantly make you feel more in control of your emotional state. Doppel uses gentle, rhythmic vibrations on your wrist to tap into your body's natural rhythms. These vibrations can be customized to suit your specific needs, whether you need to calm down or get energized. It helps you feel calmer, more focused, or energized, depending on your needs. The versatility of Doppel makes it a unique tool for various emotional states. There's no screen, no complicated apps, just strap it on and choose your rhythm. It's designed to be user-friendly and intuitive, making it accessible for everyone. Whether you're stressed, anxious, or need mindfulness, Doppel helps you find your center. It's like having a personal emotional assistant on your wrist. For those who practice meditation, Doppel enhances your practice. It deepens your focus and helps you achieve a more serene state. It's a simple yet powerful tool for emotional balance. With Doppel, you can take control of your emotional well-being in a seamless and effective way. Let's talk about oral hygiene with the QicoBay P1 Flosser, a pocket-sized powerhouse. It's sleek, compact, and perfect for travel. Despite its size, it offers multiple pressure modes for a customized flossing experience. Whether you prefer a gentle cleanse or a more invigorating clean, the QicoBay P1 Flosser has you covered. It boasts a long-lasting battery for multiple flossing sessions on a single charge. For a convenient and effective way to step up your oral hygiene game, the QicoBay P1 Flosser is a must-have. Now let's talk about the VLB, a futuristic VR lighting band designed specifically for gamers and VR enthusiasts. This innovative device is set to revolutionize the way you experience virtual reality. Imagine your room's lighting syncing perfectly with the action on screen, creating a seamless and immersive environment. Explosions bathe your walls in a warm glow, while eerie corridors cast flickering shadows, enhancing the atmosphere of your game. The VLB creates a truly immersive experience, blurring the lines between virtual and real worlds, making you feel like you're truly inside the game. It uses adaptive lighting technology to transform your room into an extension of the virtual world, reacting in real time to the events happening in your game. It's not just for gaming. Imagine watching a movie set in a tropical rainforest with matching room lighting, making every scene come to life. Whether you're a hardcore gamer or a casual VR explorer, the VLB is a game-changer, enhancing your experience in ways you never thought possible. Experience the next level of immersive entertainment with the VLB and see how it transforms your virtual reality adventures. Now let's talk about the K.SYS Series, an AI-driven home automation system that is revolutionizing the way we live. It's like having a personal butler at your beck and call, ready to assist you with a variety of tasks. The K.SYS series offers seamless integration and effortless control, making your daily routines smoother and more efficient. With just your voice, you can dim the lights, adjust the thermostat, and start your favorite playlist. Imagine the convenience of controlling your entire home without lifting a finger. It uses machine learning to understand your habits and preferences, anticipating your needs before you even realize them. Imagine your home adjusting the lighting based on the time of day or preheating the oven because it knows you're on your way home. The K.SYS series makes these scenarios a reality. With ultra-fast processing speeds and advanced algorithms, the K.SYS series controls every aspect of your home with precision and reliability. Whether you're tech-savvy or just appreciate convenience, the K.SYS series is the future of home automation, designed to cater to all your needs. Experience the next level of smart home technology with the K.SYS Series, where innovation meets everyday living. It's all about making your life easier and more efficient, giving you more time to enjoy the things that truly matter. Calling all adventurers and outdoor enthusiasts, introducing the Max Pump 3. This compact and ultra-powerful air pump is your new best friend for outdoor escapades. It's incredibly lightweight, fits in the palm of your hand, and tackles demanding inflation tasks. Whether you're inflating air mattresses, camping gear, or bike tires, the Max Pump 3 makes it a breeze. It's USB rechargeable and designed to withstand outdoor use. Make your adventures easier with the Max Pump 3. Introducing the DEFI Smart Pillbottle, an intelligent pill bottle for managing your health. It sends personalized reminders on your phone so you never miss a dose. It tracks your medication intake, allowing you to see your progress and share it with your doctor. The DEFI Smart Pillbottle connects to your smartphone via Bluetooth for personalized schedules and refill reminders. Whether managing a chronic condition or taking multiple medications, it's a valuable tool. Simplify your health management with the DEFI Smart Pillbottle. Makers, creators, and DIY enthusiasts meet the Pico Torch. This mini but mighty laser cutting and engraving tool unleashes your inner maker. It's capable of cutting and engraving a wide range of materials with precision. Whether working on intricate designs or small-scale prototyping, the Pico Torch is a powerful tool. It's easy to use with a user-friendly interface and intuitive controls. Take your creativity on the go with the portable Pico Torch. Meet Carbon AI, an advanced AI-powered personal assistant. It's like having a super-powered sidekick for your digital life. Carbon AI understands your needs, anticipates your requests, and helps you navigate the digital world. It boasts real-time learning capabilities, adapting to your preferences for personalized assistance. Experience the future of AI assistance with Carbon AI. Gamers, coders, and keyboard enthusiasts meet the AEKE K1. This revolutionary mechanical keyboard adapts to your typing style in real time. It adjusts the actuation force and responsiveness of each key to match your touch. The AEKE K1 also boasts smart learning capabilities, predicting your next keystrokes and correcting typos. For gamers, it offers ultra-fast response times, customizable RGB lighting, and dedicated macro keys. Elevate your typing and gaming experience with the AEKE K1. It's a game-changer for keyboard enthusiasts. Introducing the Aurora 20-in-1 docking station, the ultimate hub for digital nomads and tech enthusiasts. It boasts 20 ports including USB-C with Thunderbolt support, HDMI, South Dakota card slots, and Ethernet. The Aurora ensures lightning-fast data transfer speeds for efficiency. Whether you're a professional, student, or tech enthusiast, the Aurora is the ultimate solution for a clutter-free workspace. Connect all your devices with unparalleled speed and convenience. So, there you have it, folks. These futuristic gadgets are set to revolutionize the way we live, work, and play in 2025. Let me know in the comments which gadget impressed you the most and what other tech innovations you're hoping to see. Your insights are always valuable, and I love hearing from you guys.